Hey y'all, Anson here from Ivey's Forge Homestead. Welcome back to the shop. Alright, so we are currently in the woodworking shop, and even though it's a work in progress, let's take a look around. Alright, so just a quick shop tour, even though it's a major work in progress. So we got the garage door that's in the front. There's power that I installed. This is the automotive slash corner for just basic stuff, even though that's the only toolbox I got other than that one. And right now it has almost every single tool in it, not just automotive tools. So the door comes in, some yard stuff, some overflow from when I had a shed still being stowed. Then I got the table saw. I put it back onto the contractor base. That way I can just move it whenever I need to. I have the bandsaw back in the corner. Still needs to be fixed. I have the workbench with the planes that need to be fixed. I have the whole back area here where I'm going to be storing tools, storing stuff. Right now it has wood overflow, and that's where I'm also going to have a miter station for Gladys. Then as I come around, I got more junk piled up in a corner. The other little cabinet that has followed me around to different various blacksmith shops. So my anthracite, more junk as it piles up. Horizontal spaces, right? My little drill press. My big drill press that I just picked up over the holidays from my uncle. Thank you, Uncle Mark. I'll shoot a link to his artist. He is a painter. To his artist Facebook page down in the description. And then all of my blacksmithing stuff is in here until I can get it outside. Well, I wouldn't say all, but a lot of it. And then back to the front. All right. And then now we'll take a journey to the blacksmith area where I'm going to do blacksmithing. So come around here to the back. So cold storage, the portable, the anvil, the other one, my compost bins, stowage on the walls. So I'm going to have a wall back basically where you see the 2x4s on the ground, coming up with a roof coming off of that header. And yeah, there we go. That's my shop walkthroughs. Okay, so there we go. That's my shop inside and out. Woodworking shop and the soon to be, hopefully, blacksmith shop out in the back. So it's a work in progress, both areas, but we make do with what we got and we work with what we have. All right. Thank you all for following along, and we'll see you on next one. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell for notifications. It would be greatly appreciated. And you can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Don't really see it on Twitter too much, but hey, we're there. All right, y'all. Bye-bye now.